Assalamualaikum and welcome everyone. My name is Muhammad Izwan bin Roslan. My metric number CW210039.
My name is Muhammad Ahmad Fitri bin Azhari. My metric number is AW210085.
My name is Ahmad Amir Fakir bin Zaliazar. Metric number AW210159.
First of all, I would like to give credit to Prof. Madya, Technologist Dr. Rosmila binti Abdul Kahar as our lecturer and Encik Mirza Bashir bin Rodwan as our senior members.
Ouch, this drink is hot. It's burned my mouth.
Akmal, are you okay? What happens?
This drink is so hot. I thought it's already warm a bit, but it isn't.
Didn't you wait a little bit for the water to get warm?
I already wait a little while, but my drink is still hot.
Did you know that in ordinary differential equation that we already learned, there are some applications that can be used to determine the temperature of our drink in certain times.
Seriously? Why I didn't notice that?
For your information, we already learned that in last class that you skip because you are not feeling very well that day.
Can you teach me what we learned about that in that day?
I understood, but I didn't know how to teach very well. So let's find someone who is an expert in this topic. Hi Izwan.
Hi Izwan.
Hi guys.
Are you free right now?
Yeah, of course.
So we wanted to ask you about the application of ODE.
Yeah, what is the question?
Okay, just now I burned my mouth because my drink is hot. I didn't notice my drink is hot. Fakir said that we can find the time needed for my drink to reach a certain temperature by using the application of the ODE.
What is silly of you? Theoretically, we can use the application of ODE to find the time needed for your drinks to get into certain temperature.
Can you teach us how to use the application of ODE in our daily life?
First of all, I will tell you about the definition of the ODE. In mathematics, the term of ordinary differential equation is an equation that contains only one independent variable and one or more of its derivative with respect to the variable.
That definition is so crystal clear, but I wonder, who is the one to discover the ODE?
Oh, I know this one. The physical equations begin with Leibniz, the Bernoulli brothers, and others from 1680s. Not long after Newton's fractional equations in the 1670s. Applications were made largely to geometry and mechanics, and we used it until now.
What an interesting background story. Thank you, Fakir, for the info. Anyway, back to my problem. How we do apply the ODE in my situation?
That's easy. Let me show you how to do it. First of all, we are going to use the Newton's cooling law to solve Akmal's problem. We will use 28 degrees Celsius as our room temperature. By using this formula, we can find the time needed for the water to reach certain temperature. We will have three conditions, which is the first one will be 100 degrees Celsius when T is 0. The second one, where is Akmal's drinks, his water, we assume temperature become 90 degrees Celsius at T equal to 1 minute. By using those two conditions, we can find the needed time for certain temperature, which is 50 degrees Celsius in this case. In this problem, we use separable equation to get the desired equation, which is T equal to plus minus AE, the power of KT plus 27. After that, we will insert the value of T equal to 0 and T equal to 100 degrees Celsius to get the A. For the second condition, we can get the value of K, and for the third condition, we will get the time taken for the water to become 50 degrees Celsius, which is 6.7 minutes.
Whoa, I didn't thought it was easy as that.
So there are this application of ODE in real life that I use to calculate the movement or flow of electricity, motion of an object like pendulum, to explain the thermodynamics of form set. So also in the medical terms, they are used to check the growth of diseases in graphical representation. For example, according to the Newton law of cooling, the change in temperature is directly proportional to the difference between the temperature of the hot object or body and temperature of the atmosphere.
Well done, Fakir. You have the criteria to be a teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Now I know how to apply ODE in my daily life.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zai.
Okay, bye-bye. Good
Thank
luck,
you.
guys.
Hi John.
Hi,
What anime do you watch? Such a nice graphic.
I watch Bobo Boy.
Ah. Such a nice graphic. I wonder how they made it.
Yeah, me too. I guess they just sketch it on a paper and then paste it.
You have the idea, but it's wrong. It's so hard to even make one scene from the animation.
Wow, okay. Do you really know how they make the animation?
Yes, my brother works at the WoW Animation.
Isn't that the company that made the Agent Ali the movies?
Yes, it is. My brother shares a little bit on how he did the work.
Oh, I love that movie. Do you really know how they make the animation works?
Yes, my brother said it is quite related with our syllabus, which is PDE. It is so hard to make the character because even a strand of hair consists of a complex equation. Can you imagine that?
Oh, that's why it takes time to make the animation to be published. Now I know why.
Akmal, do you really know what PDE actually is?
Yes, I know. PDE or partial differential equation is mathematical equation that involve two or more independent variable or unknown function and partial derivative of an unknown function with respect to the independence variable.
Wow, you already mastered the basics of PDE, so you guys must know a little bit that PDE is mostly used in animation making. Do you guys know what is the relation between math and physics?
No, we do not know that. Can you share a little bit?
So, for physicists, math is a tool used to answer questions. For example, Newton invented calculus to help describe motion. For mathematicians, physics can be a source of inspiration, with theoretical concepts such as general relativity and quantum theory, providing an impetus for a mathematician to develop new tools.
Wow, such a nice info. Okay guys, I would like to continue watching my movies.
I also got work to do.
Okay, thank you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.